Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am on a location here. I'm gonna be towing a truck that I've towed before. It seems that he broke down at a dock, or on a dock I should say. So I'm gonna be tying a chain to, where did my key go? Okay. I'm gonna be tying a chain to that unit there, the International with the trailer. I'm gonna be pulling them forward so Buddy can hook his truck, take the trailer away, and then I'm gonna rear tow it. So we're not going far. We're literally going around the block with this one, so I'm gonna take the time to show you guys how we do this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull you that way, very close to that snowbank. Yeah, if you could, yeah, and then just drive it that way. Time to take the chain off, and then I'm going to swing around from the back. Okay. Pardon me, sorry? Truck inside. Oh, the truck keys inside? Okay, perfect. Thank you, brother. Have a good one. So yeah, guys, just going to take this chain off, and I'm going to flip my truck around and get ready to hook from the back. Stay with me, all right? trucks are so easy because you don't have to put a chain around the front drive to hold it up so that the bags don't separate. You literally just grab the rear and she stays. So just gonna put a chain on here, put a safety chain, tow light, steering wheel, and we're out of here. Get more of a tilt on that so I can get that chain a little tighter. So yeah guys, by tilting down, for guys who aren't tow operators, you tilt down. Okay, if you tilt down and your wheel lift, like where your forks are, is further away from your strap point, I'm gonna call this the strap point, you tilt down and it brings it closer together. That way when you tilt back up, you cause it to separate, and then you put tension on your chain. So good practice is to get tilted down as far as you can go. That way when you tilt up, you got nice tension on the chain. She doesn't bounce off the forks. Hood is closed. Always check to see if the hood is locked. It's very typical that if a truck breaks down, chances are the drivers already pop the hood to see what the situation was, if something can be fixed. So, and they don't always put it back. They don't always lock it back. Sorry, I mean. Double check that. And yeah, guys, we're pretty much ready to roll. We're done here. Put that on. And that's it, guys. There's nothing to it really. I've sold this truck before. I believe it was this one. It could be a different one, but definitely the same model. So when you do it before, you kind of know already what's in store. Like not wasting time looking for an air dump valve to drop the suspension. Oh yeah, guys, that's basically it. Off, idle down. I'm gonna take a quick picture for the thumbnail and stay with me, guys, because I'll try to record the drop. All right. For those who are watching from the GTA, I am Airport Road in Queen. I'm dropping by Goreway and Queen, just north between between Queen and Williams Parkway Road. I guess it's Williams Park. Oh, I guess it's Williams Parkway now too. So, anyways, yeah, just making the right on Queen here. guys heard the Jake brake there. Cummins ISX. And yeah, straight pipe. That's how we do. Yeah, guys, 3 minutes away to our drop. If you're watching this far, thank you for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, I do a lot of tow calls, the auto recovery, clean up here and there. I'm still a new operator, so I mean, I know how to drive a truck, I know how to hook it up. Tow calls are simple. I'm just trying to elevate, graduate to start doing recoveries and stuff like that. I know it takes time, but I'm hopeful that my shot will come soon enough to hop into a heavy wrecker and start doing more of the cooler jobs. So, and look at this guy here stopping in the middle of the road. Which way are you going, buddy? Wow, he's gonna just back in right there. Oh no. Wow, some people really don't know. Look at this guy now. What a piece of work, man. You see this, man? Like, this is the stuff that I hate. Like, plan your route, plan where you're going, know your area. Is this guy trying to... There's no way, man. That's not happening. This guy was he trying... Holy crap, man. This is the craziest thing. Have you guys seen this? Hold on. I'm gonna record this on my phone. Let's see if he can make it. But he just start all over again. Reset. This guy's crazy, man. And I can't go back. I got a snowplow right behind me. So I don't know what this guy's, you know what I'm gonna go down. There you go. Reset, buddy. That's all you gotta do. Hold forward and reset. Man. We would rather just hold up everybody else's time because they fucked up, instead of pulling forward, maybe going around the block and trying it again. This is what... Alright, back on the GoPro, here we are. Always gotta deal with some sort of goof. Some goof. Yeah, it's open already. Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so the gentleman asked me to back the truck in for him. I'm gonna re-put my GoPro, reset up my GoPro to the back, and hopefully I can get a nice video of this for you guys, alright? Alright guys, so yeah, that was that tow call. Pretty simple, straightforward. The backing in could have been a little bit better. It's just for me, with the bright, like when it's cloudy like this, and especially with a lot of snow on the ground, it's so bright outside that it's hard for me to see inside the shop. So I wasn't able to really see what was in there, and actually I hopped out and I realized that there was a trailer just like sitting there. So yeah guys, that was that, and I hope that I can get you some more content, some more interesting stuff. Right now we're kind of slow. I know a few of you have been asking about this truck and doing a little tour walk around of it. It's a pretty straightforward truck. Maybe I can do that for you. And a quick exterior, although it's in really rough shape right now. I wanted to do it in the spring, and that if I kept this truck, then I would clean it up, maybe get it polished. But we'll see about that. I'll just do a quick walk around video for you right now. Kind of explain a little 1-2 thing about it for the people who don't know about towing or tow trucks, or who want to know. But this is pretty much your entry level. Yeah, pretty much an entry level, but at least it's nice. At least it's a 379P. Could be a lot worse. It could be a Freightliner. All right guys, so I'll do a quick walk around for you, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you'd like to see anything else, please leave it in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for coming back. Hopefully I can see you on the next one. Peace. Alright guys, so a quick little rundown of what the setup is here. It's called the quick swap. So basically what this truck is a stretch frame, double frame from front to back. It's got a PTO, hydraulic driven. There's the hydraulic tank there. Here are the lines. There's a pump towards the front by the engine. And then the hydraulic lines run through here, and then it gets fed through and whatnot. So basically this gets attached to the fifth wheel plate, and then they bolt this big bracket here onto the frame. You see it there, and then the pins go there. So basically you can unpull the pins there and then detach it. There were legs that go on both sides so that you can actually set it up and drive away from it. So that's why it's called a quick swap, right? You quickly swap it in and out. It does have a winch. It's off its pulleys right now. Yeah, this box, it's got a box here where you can put up all your forks, the chains. It would be nice if I had a headache rack so to hang my chains, but I don't. So for now I put my chains in here, and the problem is if I'm chasing a wreck or whatever, all my stuff kind of slides all over the place. So what I like to do, I like to have my tie straps on one side, the chains over here, but everything shifts around. I got my forks in there, safety cones, more tie straps, C-clamps for the, what do you call those, the bunk extenders, so that they don't fly off when I'm rear towing. Let's see. Yeah, you got your light bar here. This light turns on when my headlights are on, but I don't have them on right now. It's got a bucket for the chains, so your safety chain. But what I do is I'll put in the chain that I always use, a common chain, just right there, one on the other side as well. Here's the wheel lift. I think it's got the specs on it somewhere. I was reading it the other day. I don't know where the data plate might be. Oh, it's inside here. So yeah, let me see. Let me try to get this thing down. I don't think I turned the PTO off yet. No, I didn't. So that way we can see what this is rated for. So the guy before me, or I think 2 drivers before me, had this when it was freshly painted. Everything was fresh, the wheels were nice. This truck was in really good condition, but after time it just really went downhill. So let me get a rag. Let me clean up this data plate here. All right, let's see. It says super heavy duty lift axle, or axle lift, sorry. Serial number NRC. Lift rating retracted, maximum is 50,000 pounds. Lift rating extended, maximum 20,000 pounds. Tow rating maximum is about 90,000 pounds. So 90,000 pounds, that's almost like a 50 ton, 45 tons, I guess. About 45 tons. So, I mean, it's one of the stronger wheel lifts that you can get, I think, for these quick swaps. We have a few in our fleet that are a lot smaller, but we have also the big heavy stuff that can do a lot more. So for a quick swap, it can do a good amount. It's capable. The truck is a very strong truck. I can pop the hood for you guys. Give me a second and I'll do a quick little walk around that. Alright, so ISX. Pretty dirty because it's winter time. I could spray it down, but this is what we've got here. Nice big old turbo. Try to see the data plate for you guys. Give me a second here. There should be a data plate somewhere here. Oh yeah, there, it's on the side. Shoot, I'm on the wrong end of it. Okay, let me go on the other side. Give me a sec. So yeah, that's basically it. We will see which Cummins it is. A second, guys. What we've got here is an ISX 485. Govern speed, yeah, okay. Peak torque, 1850. Serial number, valve lash, all that stuff. But yeah, so it's a 485. I thought it was a little bit bigger, to be honest. I thought it was the 5. Yeah, so if you guys know anything about these, please let me know. I'm gonna do a quick Google search now. I thought it was the 500 something Cummins, although it was rebuilt before me. It's got all genuine Cummins parts. From what I heard, it was a full out like crates of parts. It's a strong truck. It's got a lot of balls. And yeah, so thanks for watching. A quick little tour. I wanted to do this when the truck was cleaner, but here we are. There hasn't been much content lately because hasn't been much work. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I hope you learned something. And I hope if you feel like you want to teach me something in the comments, if you have the time, feel free to let me know. Anything about wheel lift, the engine. It's got an 18 speed. If you want to just drop some information for me down below, that'd be awesome. I really appreciate it. I take no offense. And yeah, thanks again. Bye.